Alright guys, so here we have the Super Joy 3 Super Joystick TV game. It's got a whole bunch of games all built into one. We bought this from a person in the mall a long time ago. It plugs into the TV right there. There's the audio video spots. There's the on-off switch. There's DC input. Runs on some batteries. There's some accessory parts that I probably used to have. Don't know what this is for. Something runs on 4 AA's, so if you take this out, here's the back here. Insert the battery pack in the right place. Let's open this battery box up. Some AA's in here. We can get this thing back together. There we go. Battery AA times 4 or LR6 times 4. You can see that just kind of goes into the back there. You can find this one. There we go. Alright, let's get this thing plugged into the TV. There we go. Alright, let's get this TV powered on. Let's turn on the controller. You can see it's got a lot of games to it. Go to the next page. Next page. 76 and 1. Fun time. I'll do a couple of them. Let's try Contra. Let's do one player. Stage 1. And yeah, it plays like any other video game would. The D-pad is something to be desired, but oh. Let's see what else. Every time you reset it, it just goes back to the main menu again. Let's try Aladdin 3. Oh. It's a little bit dark. Oh. Let's reset it again. So every time you press the reset button, it plays this, I believe this is Do Ba Diddy Diddy. Let's try Tetris. Let's push start. There's music here. Let's try this one here. So in Tetris, you have to make a full row using the blocks that the game gives you. You gotta really have to push down hard on the button for it to actually register as an input. There you go, so you just made a line. All right, let's hit reset. Let's see what else. There's Super Mario. Let's try that. There's an issue with the contrast of the game, so. Oh. I can't see it. Alright, let's try something else. Let's try Mario Bros. On the bottom here. Game number 20. Where did the title go? Now the game should be in color, but this is a black and white TV. Fun time. Let's try Twin Bee. So some games are better than others, quality-wise. Games play pretty good, I think. Some games are better than others, as I said before. Let's go to the next page here. Let's try Circus Charlie. Here we go, let's try another one. So we did this page. Let's try Toy Story. I don't think this is like the movie, but oh, I missed that one. Just kind of go left and right, I think, and let's try some more games here. So to scroll through the pages, you just press A and B. A or B, I mean. So A button goes page forward, B button goes page back. Try tennis. Out. Let's see what else we got. Let's joust. Oh. Oh. Some kind of a bird game. Look at him running. Game over. That's kind of it. There's some games work better than others, as I've said previously. Some of them have an issue with their contrast being too low. That's kind of it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.